This is too much damn work. And the reason I plucked it was so I could give it to the dogs. I just won't eat the skin. But all the bones and stuff, I'm just giving the dogs wings. Well, I may keep part of the wing, neck, head. I wonder if they eat the head. So we'll see. First ever goose, I'm going to roast it. I cut the skin with a razor. Got garlic and onions in there. It was saying, I was copying somebody's recipe, it's saying 125 for 25 minutes. I don't think that would be enough for the stuff to cook because I'm going to eat that too, the gizzards and heart and liver. So I left that out in case it doesn't cook as well. But I'm hoping the fat that comes off of here will cook that up better. But I'll probably end up having to cook it more, just because I want to cook more. But it said 125. My oven only goes to 200, so I got it set. What looks like 150 for 25 minutes. And make sure I salted it good, put plenty of salt inside. See how it comes out. And then I'm going to put a honey glaze over it after it's roasted. See how it goes. Appreciate y'all. So the goose is in the oven. I'm overcooking it because I don't know how my oven works, but it looks completely raw. It's been 25 minutes. But the glaze is local. This is the closest I can get that I can afford. Texas. I'm in Oklahoma. And I'm going to add ginger, vanilla, nutmeg, ground cinnamon. I was supposed to have 5-spice, but I couldn't find it. I live in a tiny town that has one store, and they barely have any. This little thing was $7. But I season it, mix it up, and put it on there once as soon as I mix this up, I'm going to go take it out. Because I said it's probably been like 27 minutes now. The alarm went off a minute ago, but like I said, it looks raw. So let me mix this up. I'm going to put half a teaspoon of everything in there. Nutmeg. And a straw. I don't even know if I've ever used that. I put ginger, vanilla, cinnamon, and turmeric and honey, and put a spoonful of that into my my coffee every day. All these spices are supposed to be good for you. They have a lot of benefits, and they're cheap. So I don't know if they work or not. I still do it. And the local honey, or the closest, kind of helps with my allergies. They said it's not real, just a placebo effect, but the honey's better than the sugar. So, and I gotta have something sweet in my coffee. Crap, I should have got cinnamon before because now it's in there. Like I said, I forgot they didn't have the 5-spice, so I'll mix this up. Man, that nutmeg is strong. smell that way more than everything else. There it goes. Looks just like on the video. I'm gonna go get the goose out. Thought it sounded weird because he was saying temperatures, and he was going by Celsius because he was from Europe. So left it in there probably 30 minutes, and then put it on broil for about 3 or 4 minutes, and I just took it off. It's supposed to set for 20 minutes, so I need to start the timer. It's supposed to be 165, it's almost 180, and it's been sitting for 20 minutes. So I'm about to put the glaze on it and then carve it up. I gotta completely cover it. This glaze tastes pretty good by itself. I guess I made extra, but even though it's been touching this goose, I'll still put in my coffee. Don't like to waste. This stuff is good. Let's see what it tastes like. Ooh. I don't know if it's supposed to be that rare. Still gonna try it. The way the stuff was smelling at first, I think it's also because I put that torch on it to burn the little pieces of down. But I was kind of thinking that I wouldn't like it, but it tastes pretty good. I mean, it's it's exactly like they say. It's like something between turkey and beef. Real red, but it's too raw. So I'm gonna have to. I guess I'm thinking I'm just gonna probably throw it in the microwave for a few minutes, all covered up. Then that glaze will really get into it. Yeah, it was pretty good. I went and fried the organs in a little bit of pork fat and the drippings that came out of here, the fat off of this, and I know those are gonna be good. And also got what I cooked earlier was some deer meat with eggs and some chili. I got plenty to eat for today and the next few days. Hope you're having a good one. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Appreciate y'all. So basically, we cooked it again at a higher temperature. I think it was at 275 for the same amount of time. Then I broiled it for like, I think it was like 6-7 minutes. Man, it is so good. It does not taste like any other bird, except maybe sandhill crane. And it's red meat. Man, it's good. And that glaze, I mean, I'm gonna start putting that in everything. Probably make some jerky with it too. That honey glaze. Man. If I wasn't so stuffed, I'd probably eat it all right now. Appreciate y'all.